But I remember thinking it was normal.
Oo.
Parang pag may baha, okay.
Oo,
Nothing
or-
special. It's a way of life.
And gano'n lang talaga sa Pilipinas.
It's a way of life.
Ano ka?
It's a part of life.
Oo nga eh.
Ano ko, Shokoy? Ano ko, sewer rat? It's a way of life. It's not!
Welcome to Raw and Real, the podcast where truth wears no filter. Hosted by identical twins Dana and Stacy. The same fearless energy that defined plump.ph is back, now with deeper accountability. At the peak of the body positivity wave, they hit a hard truth. Being fat isn't brave, being fat isn't healthy, and body positive isn't the whole story. Preaching self-acceptance while eating in denial, saying I'm fine except me, wasn't honest, and it wasn't helping. At the height of wokeism, between 2016 to 2020, as the faces of the body positivity movement, they completed over 100 podcast episodes on Spotify. Now they're back, but this time on PGMN, not just with their brand, but with clarity. Born from a lifetime of twinhood, Raw and Real invites you into the unfiltered world of two women who've lived, fought, and flourished together through body shaming, cultural expectations, healing, and radical honesty. Expect real talk about what we usually hide: shame and joy, jealousy and softness, strength and sex, the systems we live in, and the stories our bodies carry. Each episode strips away performance, leaving something deeper: connection. No scripts, no pretenses, just two women speaking their truth, sometimes with serious gravity, often with blazing hilarity, and holding space for yours. This is Raw and Real. Tune in, unpack, unlearn, come as you are.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to the world.
Arte mo.
Okay, buti lang maganda ang weather today. My
Yes.
gosh. Malamig lang sa studio
Sun's
pero
out.
sun is out.
Pero before this, ang daming bagyo na naman na
Grabe,
dumaan this year.
girl. Di ko na
And
kinakaya.
thank God, hindi na tayo binaha this year because...
Hindi na please.
na.
Hindi pa. Ayoko na mabaha.
Oo. Because ang last time na binaha tayo was Typhoon Karina na nangyari
Last year,
July 2024.
That was so bad.
Yeah.
I just
So, we grew up in a place na bahain talaga no, yung area natin.
especially in San Juan because it's so hilly.
Oo.
May mga matataas talaga and then may mga mababa. At marami pang creek.
Yes.
Yung nakakaloka dun eh.
And na double whammy tayo doon, na malapit tayo sa creek. And
Nasa pinakamababa tayo.
talaga tayo area. So we grew up in a house that floods, and ano yung earliest memory mo na binaha tayo? Kasi iniisip ko
Hindi pa siya ganun kalala eh.
Noon, no?
Growing up.
Oo.
Parang ngayon lang talaga yung sunod-sunod. Meron
nung high school, college na, ganyan.
Nung high school or college, meron na. Although I remember when we lived in Mandaluyong,
Oh.
yung buong first floor, it was so bad. Tapos we were just watching everyone swimming. Yung talagang nandun na lang tayo sa second floor and just looking out the balcony. And people,
I cannot remember that.
okay, maraming hindi naalala si Stacy sa aming
The
kabataan.
memory of a goldfish.
That's horrible. 10-second Tom pala. No, but I remember thinking it was normal.
Oo.
Parang pag may baha, okay.
Oo,
Nothing
or-
special. It's a way of life.
And gano'n lang talaga sa Pilipinas.
It's a way of life.
Ano ka?
It's a part of life.
Oo nga eh.
Ano ko, Shokoy? Ano ko, sewer rat? It's a way of life. It's not!
Yeah, okay, we'll get there.
Sorry.
Pero I just wanna recall the times na binaha tayo. So, yung pinaka-memory ko,
Pinakaunang
na wild,
memory mo. Oh.
Kasi nga wala ako masyadong memory.
Bilang, alam mo na. Tanda na.
Was Ondoy. Ang lala nung Ondoy.
Girl,
Ondoy
oh my
happened
gosh.
mga September yan eh.
That
Naalala
was
ko.
so bad.
Okay, yung nangyari dyan is, ang bilis tumaas nung water. Tapos naalala ko yung house meron ng Christmas decor niyan eh. So alam ko
Oo.
na Burr months na yan.
Talaga? Nag-Christmas decor tayo in September?
Yeah.
How
oo.
SM of us.
Yes, maaga tayo nag-set up ng Christmas decor nun.
Yeah.
And then, kasi tayo, we tried to bring up some furniture yung mga kayang iakyat. Pero wala na, parang at that point,
Too late.
too late. Ang bilis talaga kasi umangat ng water nun eh. So, nag-float yung fridge.
That
Naalala ko
was
yung
the
fridge.
first time na nakita kong umabot sa second floor yung tubig.
Umabot ba?
Sa
Hindi.
step.
Sa steps.
Sa steps.
Oo.
Yung
second
paakyat
flight
na
of
siya,
stairs.
second
Tama.
flight of
Umabot
stairs.
talaga
Medyo,
dun.
ano na
Yes.
ako nun, parang,
was like-
wow, this is
Serious. Oo. Scary na talaga. Tapos,
scary. Yeah.
naalala ko na since ang bilis umakyat ng water, tapos nawala na rin ng ilaw, inevitably, nawala ng ilaw. So, padilim na. Mga ano to, mga parang siguro 4:30,
4:30,
5.
gutom
So,
na tayo.
Hindi natin alam kailan babalik yung water,
Oo.
nagugutom na tayo. So, ako yung tinask na i-check sa Dirty Kitchen kung andun pa yung ulam. Kasi nagluto si mama ng isang malaking batch ng adobo. Natripan lang niya that day to cook a huge batch
Meron
of
pa ba
adobo.
tayong helper nito?
Parang wala.
Wala
nga
eh, no?
Parang wala tayong helper
Wala
nung
eh.
time na yan.
Oh.
Anyway, so ako naman, parang sige, I'll do this for my family. I will swim
Wow,
through
Mulan.
the flood. Oo, I will save my family. So, nag-swimming ako. Wala
Sige,
talaga. As in,
napaka-OA mo, pero,
dude,
sige.
As in, paglabas mo sa staircase,
So, lalangoy ka na, magbe-breaststroke ka na eh.
Totoo, seriously. So, I was swimming, tapos di mo alam kung ano yung nagtatouch sa paa mo, kung ano ba yan, Christmas decor lang ba yun, or some creature from the creek.
Oh
Hindi mo
my
na alam.
God.
So, I was swimming. Tapos, dapat dadiretso pa ako sa kitchen, ikot pa ako sa likod to get the, nag-float na yung kaldero, umabot na siya sa living room. So, nung nakita ko, I was like, dito yung adobo! Dito yung adobo! It's safe to eat! Nakatakip siya, di
Oo
pinasok
nga,
ng
nakatakip
tubig.
siya. And it was just like, tada!
Yeah, I was like, it's here. Tapos, biglang, Stacey, wala tayong tubig. Kunin mo yung tubig. Eh, yung tubig di naman nag-float kasi ang laki-laki nun, yung 5 gallon. Nilublob ko yung buong katawan ko sa tubig.
Alala ko kami, Stacey, kaya mo yan, kaya mo yan.
Kasi
1, 2, 3.
Tapos sisid talaga,
Tapos
dude.
pag-ahon niya,
Yeah! Dude!
pero you really saved us.
I know.
Because,
You're welcome.
Because for that night, we had 2 kilos of adobo with egg.
Oh,
And the rice cooker also
Nakit yung
floated.
rice cooker. Hindi, nakit naman yung rice
Nakit
cooker.
ba?
ata.
Grabe nga naman, God. Salamat. What are the odds?
Right.
And then, after that, naliyo ka ng alcohol and no one wanted to touch you.
Yes, that's true.
Pero this is just one of the many. We've had so many instances na ba, hindi pa doon nagtatapos yung ondoy.
And then. Alam ko
Okay.
nasira yung car natin dyan eh.
Hindi, lahat na nga, nakita mo na, di ba? Parang naging bangka na yung mga kotse sa labas. Nakita mo
Oo,
na sila,
dude.
toink. Nagbabump car na sila sa tubig.
Oo nga.
And you're like, the rain is not stopping. Di ba parang it rained like a week's worth ba? Or a month's worth? Basta intense.
In that short period of time.
Tapos, our dad, who is our neighbor, called us and said, evacuate na kayo. Okay, so ganito yan. Ito yung bahay namin. Ito yung creek. Ito yung bahay ng daddy namin. And unfortunately, our dad's house is much lower than our street.
Oo, so mas binabaha
So,
sila.
talagang
no?
konting
Intense.
ano lang, ulan,
Oo,
baha na
talaga.
sila. Kami naman, may konti pang palugit, kumbaga.
Oo.
My dad was like, kamusta na kayo? Kung hindi to titigil, mag-evacuate na kayo. Mukhang hindi to titigil. Kasi yung daddy namin, naging kagawad siya, di ba, for a time. So, may mga connect sa barangay, may yo!
Dude, don't say your fucking address.
Don't say your address.
Stop it.
Kabayanan.
Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. You're stressing me out. Shut
Oh,
up.
I'm sorry. Barangay! Okay. So anyway, that goes, may speedboat na darating dyan. Lumabas na kayo. May bintana ba? And we're like, oh my gosh! I cannot believe this is happening. Okay. We were college students at this point. And, parang there's just so much shame also na bakit kasi binabaha dito? Parang bakit dito ba't tinayo tong bahay na to? May ganun
Oo
eh.
yung parang of all the places.
Siyempre, medyo immature ka pa, di ba? Na parang, ano ba
tayo
yan?
dito nakatira?
Nakakainis dito.
Sana inisip man lang to bago nagpagawa ng bahay dito.
Pero di naman nga kasi,
Di naman dati
in hindsight,
binabaha.
di nga kasi
Oo.
binabaha doon. So anyway, in a panic, my dad goes, may papunta na dyan. Just
Be ready. Oo.
Get your emergency bags, put on a jacket, sundo na kayo. So yung balcony namin, sa bahay namin, meron siyang yung 90s style na grills ng terrace, di ba?
Oo.
So yeah, it's open air, pero may grills ka na ganyan. Meron lang silang kinat na maliit na square doon.
If you can open it.
Open it for emergency, pero nakalock yun. So doon kami dumadaan, okay. Buti lang kumasa tayo doon. Pangalawa, nakakawala ng poise. So nakita ko yung speedboat. Oo nga, speedboat siya.
Oo.
Pero walang motor.
Inflatable lang pala.
So it's a speedboat, pero may
It's not a speedboat.
Yeah, pero it's a
It's an
speedboat.
inflatable
No,
boat.
it's a speedboat without the speed. It's a speedboat without the
Motor.
motor.
Kasi sira yung motor or
Oo.
something.
So akala ko naman speedboat talaga na matatransport na tayo. Mabilis kasi yung expectation ka parang may speedboat and I'm like, oh okay, sige. Oh, why not, di ba? Ondoy, let's go. Speedboat, napakaangas, ganun. Tapos, nung sumakay na ako doon,
Biglang, sobrang anti-climactic.
hindi lang yun. Akala ko tayong dalawa lang i-rescue, dude.
Umikot pa siya.
Marami palang kasabay. And I'm like, okay, wala na eh. Andito
Oo.
na tayo eh. Hindi ka na pwede mag-inerte dito.
Ang
Wala.
arte mo, gusto mo pa ng private transfers ng ba?
Hindi ko lang kasi talaga alam what to expect.
Maarte ka! Ang arte, gusto mo ng private daw.
Hindi ka naman kasi alam na, you don't know what to expect. When dad says,
Oo nga,
may
oo
speedboat
nga.
na susundo, I'm like, wow, big time si dad. Pagdating doon, walang motor. Tapos may 3 kasama.
Oo.
Buti na lang.
Pero it took us to safety.
Hindi, ito nga, hindi pa nagtatapos dyan. Ganito
Hindi
kasi,
ko talaga maalala. Okay, go.
asan ka ba nito?
Andyan,
Kasama kita,
kasama
diba?
kita.
Sasapukin kita eh. So, sumakay na tayo doon sa bangka. And I was clutching my bag. Like, clutching my bag and I was wearing my UANP jacket with my red nails and my whatever. Tapos, yung pinaka nagsasagwan ng boat was a gay guy who started doing stand-up comedy in the middle of the floodwaters.
Ang ganda!
So, tawa lang kami ng tawa. Tawa lang tayo ng tawa kasi kumakanta siya. Para siyang laugh line, ganyan, punchline. Kasi bumakya si bakla. So, tawang-tawa talaga ako. And in my head, I'm like, look at this. Parang, can't you see this? Parang, this is so surreal to me.
Oo.
Nasa speedboat tayo. We're
In a
wala,
state
I
of
don't
calamity.
know. We're in a state of calamity, like global news. But here we are, laughing our asses off because this gay guy who's also like navigating the boat. As in talagang nang bakla lang siya, tawa ako ng tawa.
Oo.
Pero if you parang and then we were taken to safety, parang lumipat na tayo.
Yeah.
Sinundo na tayo kasi 'di ba padilim na ng padilim nun eh.
Yeah, oo.
Tapos may current pa, hindi mo na alam eh.
Oo,
Hindi mo na
true.
talaga alam, grabe. And then after that, nakapunta na tayo sa condo ng tita natin where, you know, we had to clean of course and then they fed us and took care of us. Pero that's just one of the other stories we had to endure. And looking back now, yes, we're resilient.
Oo.
Pero now that we know the truth of all this
Projects
and
na
flood control,
ninanakawan lang naman ng budget.
flood control scandal na to na talagang naging global news na. Parang, this is it, right? Hindi na siya yung, ganun
Oo
eh.
nga eh. Actually, you know what? Yun nga rin yung na-feel ko na for the longest time, I've been ashamed na parang, you know, we live in a place that floods a lot. Pero now I'm like, bakit wait lang? Bakit ako yung mahihiya? Hindi ba dapat sila yung mahiya? Yung mga nagnanakaw from the budget that's supposedly fixing these issues, which is all from our pockets too. Sa taxpayers
Pero
yan
alam mo,
ninakaw.
masabi ko lang, buti na lang talaga, Mayor Vico Soto.
Okay. She's gonna shoot her shot now.
No, but it really takes one person questioning eh.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, parang Emperor's New Clothes, I really like that story because it only took one kid to say na
Nakahubad siya, yo.
nakahubad siya.
Yeah.
In this case, it's like this one perfect, amazing, handsome, smart, intelligent,
You're such a
godly
simp, okay? You're
man
such a simp.
who started the questioning, di ba? Na parang, check nyo to.
Oo nga.
I-check nyo to. Like, may mali eh. The math isn't mathing. That's it. And then someone called it out and then, di ba, sumabog na lang siya. So, nung na-bring up na ulit yung episode ni Corina Sanchez kay Sara Diskaya, when I was watching it, alam mo yung meron ka talagang parang deep anger na mafe-feel na parang, PI ka! How can you be so greedy? How can you be
actually.
collecting wealth like this? When you see people outside dealing with the flood and the horror stories that come with it, the fatalities that come with it. Tapos ikaw, bibili ka ng Rolls Royce dahil nagustuhan mo yung payong. I cannot. Parang nakikita ko dito. Ganun na talaga din naman, ganun na rin talaga yung mindset ng Pilipinas eh. Survival eh. Yung to each his own.
Take what you can for yourselves. Oo.
Na honestly, na-apply ko rin, nakita ko rin sa sarili ko. And I know it's not just a Philippine thing. It's mostly a human thing, but extra magnified because of the environment we have and the social economics and political climate we have.
Pero yung inisip ko eh, na parang how much is too much? Yun nga yung mga nakikita kong conversations online about this na kung kunwari lang, ako yung may hawak ng budget, okay? Kunwari lang.
Uh-oh. Hindi man Rolls Royce.
Di talaga Rolls Royce.
okay.
Okay. Kung ako may hawak nung kung ako may hawak nung budget, first of all, I will make sure na maayos yung trabaho ko. Maayos yung gawa. Ayoko naman nasasabi sa work ko. I take pride in my work.
Okay.
Kailangan maayos yan. Like mataas standards ko when it comes to my work. So,
Tapos, kunwari, sasabihin mo na 9, para ka nang gagago rin eh. May 9 ka na brands ng construction, pero isa lang din may-ari.
oo nga.
So, niro-rotate lang niya doon sa companies na yun.
Correct.
As a, DPWH.
Ano lang to,
Head.
hypothetical Hypothetically.
Sige. How would you manage the budget for flood control?
First of all, I will get the help of, kuha ako ng consultant from Hong Kong. Magaling si Hong Kong sa flood
sobrang
control.
galing ni
Grabe.
Hong Kong.
Yung recent flood nila, si Opong dito pero the international name is letter R.
Oh.
I forget.
Ropong.
Hindi. Anyway, wala pang 24 hours, cleared na lahat ng roads from all the debris, the tree branches, all of it. Tapos tinabi na nila ng maayos kung hindi pa pwedeng itapon. If it's big, tinabi lang. Tapos nakalagay na ng caution, may mga lines na doon. Sa Japan, may nasira, may nag-earthquake, nag-crack yung floor. Kunwari, yung crack nangyari 3 p.m.
8
5
p.m.
a.m. Tuyo na.
Gawa
Pwede
na.
na lakaran.
Oh.
Ganon. So I will get the help from Hong Kong and
you
Japan.
know what I love about Hong Kong, just to add? Nung recent trip natin sa Hong Kong, remember Signal 8, Typhoon Signal 8?
This was last year, yes.
Last year, everyone, all the honkies, got a text from the time to the minute, let's say, T8 storm coming, 1:28 until 4:53.
Oo.
And true enough, meron lang siguro mga 5-minute difference.
Talaga, on the dot.
On the dot, they will tell you kung kailan papasok yung ulan and kung kailan matatapos yung ulan. Kasi,
And totoo.
Totoo. Because as a citizen, yun ang din naman yung gusto mong malaman, di ba? Na,
Diba? Oo.
ayun na siya, parating na siya, and then
Yeah.
plan
And
accordingly.
I remember, kasi kami, wala talaga kaming kaalam-alam na may typhoon. We were just,
La,
parang
la, 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 yeah.
shopping tourists. Wala lang, nag-shopping
And
lang.
everyone
Everyone,
warning us. Everyone started warning us.
yeah. As in from the
Strangers.
cab drivers,
Oo.
to random people in the mall
Oo,
na parang,
go home,
Go home,
typhoon,
ganito.
typhoon.
have to do the access.
I
But
wanted
yeah,
to.
yeah. That's what happened. So,
Okay, so kukuha ka ng
kukuha ka niyan.
Singapore. Kumuha ka sa
sige,
Singapore.
Singapore. Marami tayong budget. Okay, i-allocate ko ng tama. So, kukuha tayo dyan.
Okay.
Pero syempre, matatempt ka rin. Tao ka lang. May billions kang budget. Masaya na ako sa konting Zara.
Yeah.
Hindi naman luxury. Ano bang dream car ko? Actually, ako ma-artist sa car Kia Carnival. Pwede na.
Kia Carnival.
Kia
pwede
Carnival,
na. Pwede na.
Kasi laging gusto ko may friends to drive, ganyan. Tapos lang, isang condo, hindi nga kailangan na penthouse
Sakto lang.
Sakto lang. 1 bedroom, ganon.
1 bedroom. Okay ka na.
Okay na yun. Tapos the rest, allocate ko na ulit. Gagalingan ko na ulit. Ang OA naman kasi, naloka talaga ako. Like,
Oo.
how greedy
Grabe.
can you get? Diba? Tapos ako, kunwari, travel, hindi ko kailangan ng first class. Okay na ako sa economy, pero pipiliin ko yung
Premium. Economy Premium Flex.
Oo, tapos lang, extra bayad sa seat, yung sa harap, yung may legroom. Okay na
Okay
yun. Grabe naman kasi yung mga yung mga nepo babies, like, and to flaunt it and to say na your dad's your ATM, like, barf, kakasuka, okay?
Okay, dito ako natatawa So, these kids, syempre, some of them will say, di ko naman talaga alam kung saan galing yung money
Money ni daddy. Oh my gosh.
Sitingin sa Rolex. Parang iniisip ko, okay, fine. Pero to be so...
Out of touch na
Kasi okay, ito rin naman ang iniisip ko sa mga parents na to. What good did you seriously think of extending that much wealth to these kids?
They just spoiled them rotten.
Rotten na Yung
Oo.
talagang ang sangsang na.
Oo.
It's not even reasonable. It's not even...
I really blame the parents Sila yung nag-condition sa kids nila to be like, acquire. And it's so sad because I'm sure na these people at the core of it think na that's the way to get respect. That's the way to be, alam mo yun, tingalain ka in your community. Just acquire wealth no matter the means. Yun Doon nila kinuha yung value nila in society.
Yeah.
Naninakawan din naman nila yung mga tao. Alam mo yun? It's so messed up. And yun lang, parang it just also goes to show what this reveals truly. It's really the condition of the heart of man na hindi talaga siya, it's insatiable. Gets mo ba yan? Alam mo ba meaning nun?
Spell. Insatiable. Greedy.
Hindi, diba? Hindi sila nakukontento. Parang,
It's
they
never
keep
enough.
And yun nga, the more you keep feeding that monster, the more it grows too. So, yun
I wonder
talaga.
though, like, now that sumabog, grabe kasi, iniisip ko, kung ikaw yung mga, bilog ang mundo, grabe.
Oo.
From flaunting your money, Kasi iniisip ko, okay, tayo, yung ibang Nepo Baby, kilala natin kasabay natin sa vlogging world
Oo.
'Di ba? Na nakita natin sila, humble beginnings, nagsiset up ng Vloggers United.
Oo, may
katabi
mga
natin
booth
ng
pa yan sa
table,
mga
nagbebenta ng
bazaar.
gamit. Oo, nagbebenta ng second-hand things.
Oo nga.
Tapos parang
Biglang naging alta sobra.
biglang naging alta
naging
sobra.
luxury KOLs.
Biglang hindi mo na makausap for some reason. Like, why do you do that?
Yeah, weird.
Weird. Sobrang strange to me na, okay,
Sobrang
fine.
kadire, actually.
Tapos, now that they're up there, I wonder though, parang was there a time na they ever thought, this is too much?
Yun nga.
Yung parang, minsan ako, hindi naman ako Nepo Baby, pinaghihirapan ko naman yung pera ko, pero minsan, papaisip din ako na, Lord, dami naman ito. Parang, thank you naman, Lord. Diba? Pero sila kasi,
Ganun din sila. Thank you naman, Lord. Ang dami naman ito.
hindi, pero may kasunod.
Sige.
Now, how do I purpose these blessings
Oo.
for a gooder cause?
Gooder.
I share it with you.
Thank you, Lord.
I share it with my friends or I give back to the church.
Oh, but then, baka they can justify it like that too, na we give to charity, we give to like this and like that. Yun naman pampalubag loob ng mga kurakot na may pinapaaral akong bata, kunwari.
Ang train of thought ko dito is, I think it's so important for humans to know when or how much. I think it's important for humans to know how much wealth will turn them, will make them into monsters. Parang kailan yung too much na nawala na yung humanity mo.
Yeah.
Kasi it's so ito nga I really don't like, parang I have mixed emotions about luxury brands.
Me too.
I mean, I know we checked out Louis Vuitton Cafe in Bangkok for the novelty of it. Pero hindi kasi ako magpapakamatay katulad ng ibang tao na hindi kakain for a bag or hindi, yung talagang titipirin yung sarili para sa item.
Oo.
Hindi ko mag-grasp yun. Yung at the expense of your own well-being for a thing.
Yeah.
For a thing na ayaw mo rin gamitin pag nabili mo na.
Kasi natatakot siyang masira.
I remember
Oo.
an interview with Herlene Budol. Binigyan daw siya ng bag ni Alex Gonzaga. Her ever first Prada or Chanel, whatever. A branded luxury bag. Alam mo bang pinapa-airconan niya yun sa kapitbahay niya or somewhere?
What?
Dahil natatakot siyang masira. And to me, that's like, wow. It's one thing to take care of your things.
But alam mo yun, parang ikaw na yung naging enslaved sa gamit mo na.
Ito mga Nepo babies na to, ngayon na they're exposed out there, the audacity to be depressed,
Oo nga These are called
Parang-
consequences of your actions.
na biglang wag silang idamay my mental health. Diyan ako naiinis pag ginamit mo siyang card
Oo.
Now, the real people suffering from mental health, the
Yeah.
real ones
Oo.
who are silently battling depression and anxiety, 'di ba? Ngayon nawawala yung depth and gravity ng issue Kasi
Oo.
parang, may mental health issues ako.
No, that's not mental health issue dun sa mga Nepo baby. I think it's just their guilt eating them alive, you know, and
They can't contain it. This is probably the first time they've been ever asked to be accountable.
Oo.
'Di ba? Yun yung biglang meron kang shock reaction sa nasa na? People are angry.
Oo.
People want their money to see their money's worth.
Yeah.
Their taxes. Para ako,
Yeah.
inisip ko, ang tangat na ako na nga sa math, nag-aral pa ako ng taxing para lang makapagbayad ako ng taxes kada buwan.
Taxation.
Tanga nga talaga ako Wala nga ako alam dyan Pero nagbabayad ako ng buwis. You see the old clips being dug up on these Nepo babies.
Oh my God.
Na biglang, I want to thank my dad for,
Oo.
being a never-ending ATM machine. Parang, girl, that's insane. That's insane to me na I don't know what the parents were thinking. Yes, it's like,
Dinaan nila dun Dinaan nila sa easy way. You know, parang, you want respect? Okay, I'll buy everyone's respect. Tsaka yun din naman, parang now, this is also a good wake-up call to all the Filipinos na wag kasi kayong tingala ng tingala just because mayaman
Oo nga.
Konting
hilig
flaunt lang
natin.
ng naka-Prada, naka-Hermes. Uy,
ano
naka
yan?
yan?
Yun.
Or
Actually,
nag-first
alam mo
class
ngayon-
trip to Europe. Uy, naka-business class to Europe. Parang so fucking what? Diba? Parang...
Okay.
Pero 'di ba, parang ngayon it's really a wake-up call to like really assess the people we look up to and admire because it also reveals something about you. Bakit yan yung mga taong pinupuri mo? What you praise say a lot about you too. You and me and you and you. It says a lot about us. So I think it's time na we stop idolizing these influencers na wala
Yeah.
namang ibang ginawa kundi maging professional shopaholics.
Yeah.
They're just flaunting na alam mo yun, may value talaga yung nagbibigay ng matino at honest na reviews. 'Di ba? Lalo na if it's a very expensive product. Pero yung just in your face, just bragging and showing.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Parang, kakasuka na.
Marami pang ibang bagay na pwede nating i-cultivate and palaguin within us and not just our consumption
Yeah.
facet. Parang we're not just consumers kasi. Pero now,
Yun nga
in the time and age we're living at, ito lahat currency to eh. Attention is currency.
Yeah.
And people like that na, okay, easy attention. Yun talaga eh.
Yeah.
Wealth. Parang unquestioned wealth even.
Yeah.
Pero ngayon na people are waking up to their senses. Kasi ako inisip ko, why are they applauding this person? Parang, or maybe that's just me. Fine, may value talaga when we look at beauty. Parang, meron tayong delight when we look at beautiful things.
Oh yeah.
Diba? We're
drawn to
drawn
it.
to beautiful things.
Yeah.
Like, fine. Pero parang minsan inisip ko din, wala talagang magka-question saan galing yan. Wala talagang,
Oo.
you
And I think the issue happens when we have disordered priorities. Alam mo, wala namang masama to like want beautiful things, to work hard for it kung talagang yan yung dyan mo gusto dalhin pera mo, diba? To each his own.
Oo.
But like, number one, for what, right?
Yeah.
Like, are you putting your identity in it? Are
Alam-
you trying to get something out of it na you become too obsessed with your image too? Alam mo yun, feeling ko yun din kasi yung problema sa mga Nepo babies na to eh. They really think na they're just an image na lang and they wanna keep living up to that. Now they have to maintain it. Yun na yun eh. Ito na yung image na naset ko. Dito ako hinangaan ng mga tao sa pagiging luxurious or jet setter or whatever. Now I have to keep it at this level or
Right.
grow it pa next level.
Pero
For
kasi
what?
yung mga Pinoy, mahilig tayo sa mayaman eh. Parang pag mayaman, sagot sa lahat ng kahirapan. Lahat.
Yun
Alam mo
nga
yung
eh, sa lahat
iniisip-
ng problema.
sa lahat ng problema, iniisip ko when Diskaya decided to run for mayor against Vico. Grabe, sinubaybayan ko yung kwento na yan.
Okay.
And people were saying, mayaman na to eh. Di na to mangungurakot. Yun talaga. Yun
Oo
talaga
nga,
yung
oo
nakuha
nga.
nilang narrative na, what? As in my head, how naive.
Oo.
How naive can we be thinking na
Pag
the
mayaman
rich
na,
ones, hindi
oo,
na,
sila nga eh.
Sila.
Clearly, sila nga yung
because
magnanakaw eh.
they have like an entourage to spend for.
Oo.
They have a mansion to maintain.
Yeah.
They have cars to take care of.
Yeah.
What makes you think they're not the most greedy dahil mayaman na? When is it ever enough though?
Yeah.
Diba? I mean,
It's also a discipline to be content.
oh my gosh, I've been studying this.
Contentment
It's
is
a
also a
discipline.
discipline. It's not something that happens to you once you feel like, nakuha ko na doon, na it's not gonna
The
happen
bar will
there.
always move eh.
Oo. The goalpost always keeps stretching.
Stretching, diba?
Every time na akala mo na, hindi, isang condo lang. Uy, so hindi pala, nag-backfire sa akin. Nag-backfire pala sa akin
sa'yo.
yung mga plano
Akala
ko.
mo, yung mga plano mo
Akala
na.
ko masasaya na ako sa Zara, tsaka sa Kia car, tsaka sa condo. Pero siguro pag natikman ko na yon, gugustuhin ko pa ng
Gugustuhin
iba.
mo pa.
Wow.
Easy money eh. Wag na lang.
Hindi na lang.
Wag ka na maging DPWH.
Hindi na lang ako magiging DPWH,
budget
ano.
keeper. But yeah, the goalpost will keep moving and it's very human nature. So I like when the Bible says contentment is a discipline. Like going to the gym is a discipline. I've been starting to walk again. So yay me, okay, from being a slob.
Keep it up.
Okay. So nag-walking na ako. I'm 2 weeks in my walking journey.
2 weeks na ba?
So,
Parang ano lang ah.
Hoy, sa Sunday, 2 weeks na.
Sige, okay.
Okay.
Relax.
So, I've been on my walking journey and parang nisip ko, grabe, this is a conscious effort to peel myself out of bed, to put on my shoes, and run on that treadmill, walk on that treadmill. Isip ko, if there are necessary steps to take to be disciplined in this habit I'm trying to form, same goes with contentment. You have to keep psyching yourself and talking to yourself and, like, having that internal rigidness. It can be rigid to be content.
Alam mo, meron akong napanood na clip ng podcast ni Cara David. Cara David. I saw her and nag-guest siya ng podcast sa isang priest. Tapos she shared this story na she went out to sea with a bunch of fishermen. Na sinamahan niya ng isda. Diba that's her job? Parang nagpupunta siya sa mga ganyang journalistic
far-flung areas. Tapos
experiences.
excursion.
So, tapos, sabi niya dun sa mga mangingisda, bakit yan lang yung dala nating net? Kumuha tayo ng mas malaki para mas madami tayong makuha. Para bukas di nyo na to kailangan gawin ulit. Tapos pinagtawanan siya ng mga fishermen and they were like, ma'am, isang isda lang, sapat na sa amin. Parang ba't kailangan kumuha ng sobrang dami na every day God will provide.
Wow.
Yun yung sinabi, as in, sabi niya, baka bukas pag naging gahaman tayo at kumuha tayo ng madami, baka bukas din na tayo i-provide
Bigyan.
ni God. Tapos parang, alam mo yun, the discussion was like,
Wow. I
and
like
we call
that.
these people uneducated.
Right.
But they are the ones who know, who understand really how this world works.
I remember Francis Chan, one of my favorite authors and pastors. I like how he teaches. He became a New York yung bestseller.
New York bestseller.
Basta naging bestseller libro
New
niya.
York Times bestseller.
New York Times bestseller. So,
Basta yun,
ayun, no,
basta
si
yun,
Golden-
best-selling author.
Oh, medyo marupok pa yung mga tagal natin na wala sa mundong to. Babalik din yung brain cells namin,
babalik
promise. So, he became a best-selling author and got like a big check. As in, tumawag yung publisher niya and sinabi na, Francis, your book is off the charts. You get this much money. Like, laki, 6 digits in USD.
Oh, wow.
That's a lot. Sabi niya, I don't want to see that check. Bring it to my church. Take it to church or take it to an organization. And sabi niya, I don't even want to entertain the thought of the temptation of how I will indulge myself
With that
when I
money.
get that money.
Totoo naman.
Diba?
Totoo
And
naman.
to me, grabe yun parang that's someone who is disciplined.
And
in
super
contentment.
self-aware.
Oh.
Because money also, money changes you because it reveals, mali. Money doesn't change you.
It
Money
only
just
reveals
reveals
what's inside of
already
you.
there.
So ito, meron akong, on the lighter note and the happier side of things, natuwa naman ako na nag-post itong si Bea Herrera sa Facebook. And proud na proud siya sa daddy niya. Sabi niya, my dad was a civil engineer at DPWH. He loved his job, building roads and bridges, helping the community. But one day, they asked him to sign a project na hindi naman existing. Mga
No.
ghost projects. He refused. Better to lose my job than to lose my conscience, sabi niya. After that, he lost his job. Life got hard. Wala nang extra, minsan kulang pa.
Oh, wow.
But he never regretted it. And now, I'm older, I'm proud. We could have been Nepo babies. I mean the luxury, not the nepotism concept. But instead, we grew up with an honest dad and a clean family name. Sometimes, doing the right thing costs a lot, but it's still worth it. We are so proud of you, Tatay Renato Herrera.
Oh, we are so proud of you too, tatay.
Tay.
Close.
Tay Ren. Naiyak.
Naiyak ako.
Kasi may
Solid.
mga tao pa rin ganun.
Yeah.
Diba? And we need more people putting the spotlight on them. Not on those just with wealth. Some people are so poor, all they have is money.
Yan.
And it's so
Totoo.
and it's so magnified now with the
Yeah.
news that's been popping up left and right about these Nepo babies.
Na wala silang peace of mind, di ba?
Isip ko nga
Now-
ngayon, how are they? Okay, some may say nande, wala nang konsensya yan, wala nang pakialam yan, halang na mga bitukan yan. Pero inisip ko, for their safety, I'm sure they're still bothered. I mean, grabe, dinox si Claudine ko. She was doxed. Nilabas yung Viber niya, okay, I tried, so I called it. Just to check. If it's real.
Oh, wala na.
Claudine ko, lumabas sa Viber.
Andun pa rin?
Yung, ID.
Siguro may
phone
bago
ID
na yan, may bagong number
pero
na
hindi
yan.
mo na makakontakt,
Oo,
syempre.
hindi mo na
Pero parang
makakontakt.
nag-ano lang ako na, totoo kaya to. Tingin ko, oh my gosh, it's Claudine ko. And then
I'm
may
sure they all changed their numbers.
yeah,
na.
and all of these things are being leaked. And really, for the whole Philippines to hate you, is it worth it?
And,
For the whole
you know,
country to not even just
and
hate you,
also-
but to suffer.
And all the lives gone because of all the flood, alam mo yun, disasters. Parang, they have blood on their hands.
May nagsabi nga sa akin, it's not just money they're taking. It's time,
Lives.
it's lives, it's blood, sweat, and tears. Hirap kaya maglinis ng baha, no?
Oo, grabe din yung extra gastos.
Kailangan ng elbow
diba,
grease.
nakailang bili tayo ng fridge, nakailang bili ng
laundry,
furniture.
washing machine.
It's hard.
It's hard. It's tough.
And may we never forget this, guys. Like, please, this issue should never die down until people are in jail, until we see where our money's going. Diba?
Kaya naman kasi titingnan natin yung Singapore, ano din naman yan, parang di naman sila at the top of their
marami
game.
ding ibang
Maraming
countries who got out of corruption.
Yeah.
So, there is hope.
There is hope. Okay, on the petty side of things, ano masasabi mo sa mga nagbo-body shame kay
Jam?
kay Jama?
I mean, kung di naman siya nagnakaw, hindi siya mababody shame, I feel.
Actually, parang gigil na lang kasi talaga yung mga tao eh.
I mean, petty, but go ahead.
Go
If
ahead.
that's where you wanna take it, Go ahead. I mean, not my style.
Yeah, pati yung anak ni Zaldico, oh my gosh.
Yung fashion designer.
Fashion, grabe din,
Ang
binash.
tsaka.
Alam mo, naalala ko doon, yung sa Zoolander. Remember that movie Zoolander? Di ba nag-create siya ng fashion line, si Mugatu.
Yung
Derelict! Garbage is in!
Hindi naman derelict yun.
Derelict yung pangalan ng line,
Oo,
pero
pero
I know.
Hindi naman mukhang basura. Yung
Medyo
kay,
lang.
Anong pangit lang. Pangit lang talaga.
In bad. Hindi, ako talaga.
Parang copycat eh. Parang may mga ginagaya siyang designers.
Yeah. Anyway, alleged pa ba? Ewan ko na. Nainis na ako eh.
Oh.
But at the end of it, I think tama eh. We shouldn't really put our hope in government. Syempre meron tayong accountability.
Yeah.
Pero given the state of this, I think I would just like to add to this discussion na our hope should be found in something greater.
Yeah.
Diba? And I know people will say, hindi, may mga ibang bagay na kailangan na talagang, tama naman, we can speak up, it can coexist.
Yeah, we can protest. We can
It can coexist. My faith in Christ and my hope in Jesus can coexist with me keeping the government accountable.
Yeah.
Parang hindi naman siya dapat na, hindi, kasi nakita kong argument online is, yung mga masyadong marelihiyoso na wala naman ng inambag. Parang okay, fine, di ba? We weaponize pa yung empathy na may mga ibang taong nananahimik. Sige, fine. Tama naman lahat tayo. We should be vocal about this because it's a collective problem. But I'm not gonna be putting my hope in the next electoral candidates. I'm not gonna be putting all of it, all
a
my
political
eggs in.
party.
Parang
Oo nga.
hindi, sorry, pero as long as humans are running it, there's always gonna be dirt and grime underneath it because that's the nature of humans.
Yeah. And parang biblically speaking, basing this on the truths of the Bible, this world is really decaying. So, alam na natin saan to papunta eh. Di ba?
Yeah.
So, yun.
Tumaas yung cortisol ko ng slight. Thank you, Lord. Buti na lang. Mayroon tayong Jesus. We can put our hope in God, guys. And, yeah, pagod talaga ako sa episode. Ay, nako! Sana wala ng ulan. Sana wala ng bahang dumating. Please.
Oo
Q4 na. Magpapasko na.
Tama na. No more baha, please, this season.
Ayaw na namin. We're so tired. And shout out sa mga taong nababaha din dyan. Kapit lang kayo. Things are gonna get better, hopefully, when the government addresses
The issues.
these issues.
So, kung mayroon man ako message to the Nepo babies, parang, you know what? People really, you can get the respect of people if you just admit to your mistakes.
Yeah.
People will still want your heads, but that's a start. Diba? Parang, aminin nyo saan kayo nagkamali and make it right.
Make it
There's a
right.
way to make it right eh. Benta nyo yung mga pag-ari-arian nyo.
This is not the end of you if you choose to do it right.
Diba?
Meron
Pero
pa eh. May chance
consequences
pa.
talaga.
May
Like, suck it
consequence.
up, dude. Dami yun ang diniro trip eh. Okay na yan.
Kami nga.
Nakabawi naman
Di
na
pa
kayo.
nga ako naka-Europe eh. Kayo
Yeah.
naka-Europe. Na pera ko yun ah. Nakakainis.
But yun, well, and
I just hope...
turn to the Lord.
Oo, ako din
You
talaga.
really need
Yun.
to turn to the
Repent.
Lord.
Repent and know the value of life isn't hinged on your things. Hindi ba dadala yan sa kamatayan? Doon ako naloloke. Yung parang you're acquiring so much. Can you imagine na out-wealth nila si Beyonce, sila Diskaya?
Oo, ang
That's
dami.
crazy.
Ang dami nilang na-out-wealth. Like,
Dami na lang na
athletes.
Yeah, it's crazy.
diba may post si PGMN about it.
Yeah, so
But yun.
it's never too late to start over. It's gonna hurt like a bitch.
Oo naman. Sana tumira kayo sa,
Yun.
binabahang area.
Yun yung message ko sa inyo.
Tumira kaya
Sana
kayo
mabaha
para
kayo
ma-realize nyo.
para maintindihan nyo. Yung lubog talaga lahat ng kotse nyo. Tapos may mga dagang lumalangoy around you.
Tsaka flippies na dumapo sa ilong nyo.
Tapos may ahas pa kayo matatagpuan pag nag-scoba na kayo ng mga garahe nyo.
Yeah.
Dahil kami pinagdaanan
So you
namin
get
lahat yan.
it.
Okay.
That's it.
Nangis ako! Ito si Direk kasi.
Thanks for watching this episode, you guys.
Thank you and goodbye!